Hey everybody, this is Logan with Off-Highway Van. We've got a super rad Doc Holliday 170 that I'd love to show you. Let's take a look. Starting with the exterior, this van's got a bunch of off-road ready features that come standard in our Pro X package. It's got a limited slip differential, suspension upgrade, and side steps from Dark Star Off-Road, a sweet Series A roof rack, hammerhead front bumper with Warn winch, and a ladder tire carrier on the rear. Moving on to the interior, we have the Doc Holliday 170 layout that you all know and love. Seats 7, sleeps 5 very comfortably, but what makes this van really special is the premium features that are included in our Pro X package. This includes our interior design package, color-matched front seats, upgraded design features for your cabinets and upholstery, and all sorts of other super unique touches that are custom to you. One super unique feature this customer chose is a TV in place of our over driver shelf, giving them a home theater anywhere they go. One of my personal favorite features in this van that these customers chose is our skylight package. With this, you get a 3x5 window to the stars, storms, or whatever else is above you. Another standard feature of the Pro X package is our cargo slider in the garage. This is designed for 4 full-size mountain bikes or just about whatever other gear you want to throw on it. If you don't want to use the full interior shower in the van, we give you an additional one out of the rear for quick rinsing off. Thank you for joining me on this tour of our Doc Holliday 170 Pro X. If you'd like to learn more about getting one for yourself, reach out to us at offhighwayvan.com.